Hello there. Well, we've got different types of plug plants at YouGarden, different price points, different sizes. So I'm just here to really help you decide which ones you need and also to explain how easy it is to plant them up. So the most affordable that we do are called Pro Plugs. They normally come in trays of 40. They are the best value and tend to be the smallest, but a little bit of growing, and they will be absolutely fantastic. The next ones that we've got here are the plug plants, and these are a medium size. They don't need as much growing up, just a little bit, and they normally come in quantities of 6. And then finally, we've got the Garden Ready, and they're exactly that. They're ready to go straight in your garden or your pots and containers, and they come in quantities of 10. Now I'm going to start with the Pro Plugs, but before I do, all plug plants will need a little drink when you first get them home. Bear in mind, they'll have been in the post for maybe a couple of days in transit. So literally just take them out, pop them in a bowl of water, give them, don't leave them there for hours and hours, just 10, 15 minutes, should be absolutely fine. And that just rehydrates them after their little journey. So these are the Pro Plugs. And what I'm going to suggest with these is growing them on in things like our windowsill propagator kit. These are ideal, and if you don't have a greenhouse, you can literally pop these on any windowsill in your home. And what I've done, I've taken one of the trays out. I've already potted 4 up here, so I'm just going to do the other 2. And I found the easiest way of getting these out, you can squeeze them out, but what I tend to do is give them just a gentle squeeze, but better still, I've just got a stick here. And can you see there's a little hole in the bottom of all of these for drainage? Just push that and look, the plug comes out really easily. And that way, you're not going to damage any of those delicate leaves, because obviously it is a young baby plant. So I'm just going to take out one more like that. And then I don't use anything fancy. I use my finger, make a little hole there and there, and then gently just pop that in and just firm it round ever so slightly. And then I'll give it all a good water as well. And then I'm going to just pop that in the propagator. In that goes. And you'd repeat. And that's ready to grow. And you'd be amazed how quickly these grow. They're already really strong plants. They just need to be grown up. So those are the Pro Plugs, normally trays of 40, and the most affordable, the best value. And it's really fun to see those grow into wonderful big plants. The next ones are our plug plants. Now these are bigger. They come in 6s. And they come in mini greenhouses. And obviously they've been the cardboard boxes, which are all 100% recyclable. And if there are different varieties, different colours, they're all labelled as well. In fact, I better show you this. There's a label on the front that corresponds with, can you see there? The letters. So you've got A, B, C, D, E, F. They can see them a bit more clearly. So if you do want to, say, colour coordinate, then do make sure that you remember which ones are which. And I would suggest with these, because they are bigger and stronger, I would pot those on in a 9-centimetre pot. Things like skelly pots, shuttle trays would be absolutely superb. And again, I'm going to use 2 fingers this time, make a nice hole for that, and then gently just pop that in and firm it round a little bit, and then give it a good water. So those are the next size of plugs. And then the final ones are what we call Garden Ready. And they are exactly that. They're ready to go straight in your garden. You can see here, really strong plants, really good root systems. And they could go straight in beds and borders. This particular variety is a Pansy Cool Wave, so I'd put that straight in a hanging basket or a container. But they are ready to go with no growing on whatsoever. And I would probably, just looking at my hanging basket, I'd probably put 3 in the hanging basket, and you could actually get away with 1 in there. But if you wanted to make it look a bit fuller early on, you'd put a couple in there. But they are really healthy plants. All of our Garden Ready are exactly that. They've been grown on to really great standards and can be put straight in your garden. So I hope that helps you when it comes to choosing plants. Personally speaking, I tend to buy a mixture of all of these. So sometimes I'm on a budget and I'll go for the Pro Plugs. Sometimes I just want instant colour and I'll go for the Garden Ready. But whatever you go for, they're great quality. They all arrive in really fantastic recyclable packaging, safely and securely. And I know they're going to give you so much fun and pleasure in your garden.